Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And yes, I am not behind the infamous gray wall. You're getting a good view of my room right now in the crew. So this particular wig review is on the infamous new unit that they have by Sensational. It is the Butta Unit 13. That's right, we are still slaying these Butta units, and trust me, the more they keep coming, the more I'm gonna do them. Yeah. So I have on Butta Unit 13, which is actually one of my favorite units thus far because she is very similar to a lovely little lady that I have, which I actually show y'all in this video. Butta Unit 13 is a lace wig. It is a synthetic lace wig, and it has a really nice wide side parting. There is lace from ear to ear, undetectable lace, if you will, to where it looks so believable that it's very, very natural looking. I got mine in the color 1B. And also, you are able to put heat to this all the way up to 400 degrees. But as we all know, we don't go all the way up to 400 degrees. That's a no-no. We ain't got time. I did get my unit at Hey Beauty, but there is a disclaimer before you guys go running down there and telling my sister that I sent y'all over there. We are currently out of stock, but we will be getting more in. So I'm telling you, I got mine from Hey Beauty, but listen, my sister will give you guys the full clearance of when it's back in stock. But this is my review on it, and I can honestly say you guys will not be disappointed. So the day that she drops her video of what's in stock, make sure you head over and cop this unit. So that was everything that's on the stock card. Let me go on and just tell you guys what I love about this unit. First and foremost, she is what I call the ultimate mom hair wig. This is like my favorite look. I don't know why this is like my favorite look. Like you guys know I love long hair, but it's something about this look. It's so classic, so boss. And then on top of that, look, my hands are just going through there. Of course, I'm going to get a little bit of static. This is a synthetic unit, but if you will, and I've had this wig on for a good few hours. Again, like I worked a 4-hour work shift and I'm still in it. So this was actually a really dope unit. I love the subtle curls. I love how natural it looks around the hairline. Of course, you know, I try to tack mine down as much as possible because I knew I was going to wear a different unit tomorrow. So I don't sleep in my synthetic units. I definitely take them off. I do tack them down with the either the Even spray, got to be glued, or the ORS Fix It Hold spray. It's definitely big head friendly. This particular unit has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, along with the adjustable straps. Like I said, I love this unit. She's so cute. Like you could wear this for date night, business meeting, your birthday, funeral, wedding, divorce party. You know, this is like that multi-purpose unit, and I really love the fact how you can get 2 different looks. So it's like you can fluff her out, get her going, and then all of a sudden, you know, she's real cute and fluffed and all that fun stuff. And then within 2 seconds, you're like, oh no, let me be more conservative real fast and just comb the hair in one direction, and bam, look at that. You're all dignified real fast in a hurry. Real simple, right? So the other reason why I love this unit is because, like I said earlier, she reminds me of a little lady that I have. I don't bring her out too often unless you guys follow my other IG page. But this is my little lady. This is my my mini-me in doll forms. You guys know I did not make it no secret. I am a Barbie lover. And so this was my mini-me. So to find a wig that mimics, you know, my mini-me was actually a plus. It makes me actually want to go buy more units like this and twin it out with my mini-me. So yes, we're going to put Can back in her closet where she belongs. So yeah. So But yes, like I said, this wig is actually really, really cute. I love this unit. She's probably one of my favorites. She's really dope. Whenever we get more of these units, remember what I told you. My sister will let you know. So, if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders,